You will learn how to download and install Java in your Mac OS. Simply search for Java download and you will see this one, which is Java downloads from Oracle. Okay, so click on Java downloads, and here when you scroll, now here you have to click on macOS. And one thing you must keep in your mind is that click on the Apple logo and go to About This Mac. If your Mac has Intel Core, then you will download this one, which is x64 DMG installer. Or if your Mac is M1 or M2 chip, which are the recent MacBooks or iMacs chips, if you have M1 or M2 chip, then for you have to download ARM64 DMG installer. Okay, since I have the Intel chip, so I will proceed with this one. If you have M1 or M2 chip, then in that case you proceed with ARM64. So anyways, as I have Intel, so I will proceed x64 DMG installer. Click on this link, it will start downloading. As you can see, it is downloading now, so wait for it. It has been downloaded successfully. If I go to the downloads folder, you can see that it has been downloaded. So what I will do, I will simply move it to the desktop so that you can see it easily. Okay, this is the download file in my case. So this file, you have to double click on that and it will open this. Double click on this jdk.pkg file and it will open up the installer. Click on continue, install, and here it will ask for your password, so you have to provide your password to install the software. So it has been installed successfully. That's it. Then you can close it, and then you can simply eject. Okay, and if you want, you can delete this file now because it is already installed in our macOS. Now open up the terminal, and in the terminal you can simply type ls space -al. And here we have to check if we have to check for ZSHENV, which is Z shell environment. So as we don't have it here, so we will create one. So what we can do it, so to create the Z shell environment, let's close this. I will open up a new terminal. You have to type the command ZS touch, first of all touch, touch space the tilde sign and then slash dot ZSHENV. Write this command and press enter. Now we have to find out about where our Java binary is located, which we just installed. So to find about that, it is easy. First of all, let me clear the terminal so that you can see the command easily. To find about its location, you have to just type /usr/lib exec /java _ home. Press enter and it will show you the exact path where it is installed, where it is located. So first of all, make sure to copy this. Okay, copy this path, select and copy, and then now we have to open the Z shell environment in order to paste this path in there. So we can say open tilde sign slash dot ZSHENV. Open tilde slash dot ZSHENV and it will open up the Z shell environment file. In our Z shell environment, what we can do is we will simply export export in capital letters Java underscore home. Java underscore home equals to, and paste the path which we copied, just like this, and then you can save. Okay, if you want to confirm, you can open the shell again and you will find out that it is saved to our Z shell environment. Now as we have done some changes, so we have to tell to the Z shell that there are some changes applied. So how we can tell? Well, for that purpose, let's close this terminal. Let's open up a new terminal so you can see the command clearly. So for that purpose, we can write source tilde slash dot zshenv and press enter. That's it. So now to confirm, we can echo Java home. If it contains the path, then it means everything is done successfully. So we can say echo $Java underscore home, and yeah, the path has been set successfully, so everything works successfully. Now also you can check your Java version. For example, it will show you. So we can say Java space dash version hyphen version, press enter, and it will show you the version which you installed.